There's no screwing, no nailing involved. All you have to do is fill them and start growing. So it's very simple. So we come in 3 different sizes. You have a 2x4, a 3x4 and a 4x4. We have them in different sizes. Well, these are a 9x2, all treated, so it's brilliant. It's going to last you for a long time. And we have 7x2 ones as well. So these just slot in to place. Then we'll slot this one in. Find a place in your garden that it's going to suit and fill it with your soil. And it even comes with a little trellis. You spread it out, and in there you now have 16 squares to grow your vegetables in. So you can imagine the amount of food you can get in, and there's no screwing, no nailing, and it's just easy to do, guys.